Hi everybody, Aaron, Worldwide RV. Today I'd like to talk about our North Point by Jayco 390 CKDS model. Come with me. All right, so we're going to talk back here in the back bedroom. Pretty cool. It's actually a suite, full suite back here. There's a bathroom with a shower, separate toilet and sink. By the way, it's a porcelain foot flush toilet, kind of a nice upgrade. Nice back door, so if you're out camping out there, it's easy to come in. You're not going through the coach every time. If you look around, more than enough storage. You have a full chest of drawers, his and hers closets. Of course, Jayco spares no expense. We give you a TV right in here. One of the things I like to point out, we actually have roller shades on our coaches, not just day-night shades. It's going to block everything out so you get a good night's sleep. Follow me. Let's go check out the kitchen. Here we are in this spacious kitchen, galley style. Need a little extra cutting board space? We've got it. Need a little more warmth because it's a little bit chilly outside? We've got that too. That's actually going to heat this whole area real efficiently. I don't know if you have kids or not. Check this out. There's an actual bunk up here with plugs. They can charge your phones, put them up here, they can play, they're out of your hair. It works real well. Over here, take a look. We actually have a smart fridge. You compare this to your phone, it'll let you know if you have life-saving medicine you keep in the fridge. It'll let you know if the power's gone out and the temperature has dropped. Pretty cool feature right there. Residential size on your burners and your oven. And I like it. I'd buy it just for this, folks. I love this blue ambient lighting all the way through. You're going to have a convection microwave as well. And by the way, it gets a little dark sometimes. You want a little more light. Jayco thinks of everything. You don't always need to have your TV up. How's that for some extra light? Watch this. Auto sensing lights so you can see what's in your pantry. We've even thought of everything. We have a built-in wine rack down below here to keep all your bottles secure. And while I'm here, I would just want to touch on this. These are 75-pound drawer glides. The dado underneath, we slide the board in there and build everything out of plywood so it's never going to come apart on you. Note, radius corners when you're coming in. You're not going to grab your clothes or tear your shirt. Follow me. We're going to go up and check out the bathroom. Here I am in the shower right here. I'm 6'1", you know, I'm probably a little heavy, but I can move around. There's no flex in this because we put a piece of plywood underneath of our shower pan. It's never going to move on you and mess up that P-trap. Very adjustable. How about this skylight? And that's double layered, by the way, so that's going to keep your heat in. How about underneath here? You don't always need to have all the lights on. It's got ambient lighting everywhere, and we're going real residential style with these. We're also going to have a porcelain foot flush toilet up above here. Look down there. You can put your extra towels, extra shoes, your slippers. We try to use every single space in here. We're heading on to the bedroom now. This model right here is actually going to have a king-size bed. Note, windows on either side and one above. We want a lot of light coming into an RV because they're kind of dark sometimes. How about under the bed? First place you should always look. If something has particle board underneath it here, run. We only use plywood or hardwoods on all of our models. Again, hidden space everywhere. Perfect. You can hide jewelry, whatever else you like in there. More day-night roller shades. And if you're going to use this thing for any extended period of time, follow me and look around. We are pre-plumbed for a washer dryer. You are going to lose a couple of these shells, but you're going to be just like your residential house. And this is the only place you'll find carpet in there, because when you're changing and stuff, it's nice to not be standing on the cold floor. Barreled roof. I don't know if you can see that through the camera right here, but it's a half barrel roof. It's going to give you a little more headroom. And by the way, our roofs we're so proud of, they're 4,500 pound load rating. Closest competitor is barely 2,000 pounds. Pretty proud of that. Here we are out front of this beautiful machine. Molded cap, really sharp. This is a Jayco exclusive. We have the patent on this. It's going to give you cameras on either side of the unit as well as a backup light. So when you throw that thing in reverse, those cameras are going to come on and a lot of light down the side. Sometimes it's nighttime when you get there. Peek down in there. You have provisions for all kinds of 6-volt batteries if you'd like, as well as being pre-wired for a generator on the left-hand side. And as long as we're up front here, just let me touch on this hitch. It's a MORryde system. There's Teflon and rubber in there. It's going to take a little bit of that movement and a little of this movement so you don't get that hard jarring motion when you're towing your beautiful fifth wheel. I would also like to point out our wet bay. Everything is color coded, so if you're good with shapes and sizes and you know what you want to do, it's colors and shapes to do whatever you want. If you want to sanitize, if you want to be city water, if you want to do some dry camping, you just match whatever the color and shape is on there to get it set. Do you see that all of our gate valves are inside the coach so they're not going to freeze? And another Jayco exclusive, you fill it up with your purified water. There's a pump. You can actually drink right out of that, and it's tied into the kitchen sink. Hey, thanks for riding with me today. Aaron over here, Worldwide RV. You want to come check this thing out? Give me a call.